When you're first creating an account with Infurnia or starting a subscription, you'll be doing that with one mail ID. However, when you want to add your teammates to your particular organization's account, you can do so. You can go into the billing and usage detail and click on the drop down next to it. Under that, you will see the option of user management. When you click on that, all the details of the users in your particular organization will be shown, and you can add any new user to that organization by selecting the option add user. The pop-up will ask you for the details of the new user. You can see that there's an asterisk next to first name and mail ID. So these two are mandatory, and the other two, which is last name and contact number, are optional. So you can input the details here. Next is the access level, and in the drop down here, you will be able to select what sort of access you want to give the particular user. The first is a designer option, wherein they'll only get access to the design portal of Infurnia, and they can create new designs and work on them only. So if I'm selecting designer, then this particular person will be given the designer access. Suppose if you're clicking on project manager, then this means that under the project hub, as you can see here, under the project hub, all the projects of your organization are usually shown, and the project manager will get access to all the projects that are ongoing in your particular organization. Third is the account manager. Account manager means that they'll be getting access to the billing and usage details, meaning they can add or delete new users, and they can also check on other details regarding billing, etc. Fourth is the catalog manager. The catalog manager will get access to these options of catalog, brands, design intelligence, tags, sales channels, etc. Meaning they will have a control over what are the modules that are being shown to your designers, what are the pricings of the same, what are the rules for construction, and what sort of brands you are using, what tags are installed there. We will go into the details of all this in our upcoming videos as well. Depending on the user that you're adding and what work they are meant to do in your organization, you can select which access level you want to give them. You can also select multiple access levels for one particular person as well. If you want to give an user a designer and account management role, then you can check both the options and they'll be given both access. You can also check all four and give them access to all the portals. The first mail ID that is registered with Infurnia by default gets all the four access, and you can make any changes to that if required. The last option is the sales channel. Herein, you'll have to select which sales channel you want to allocate to your designer. To understand the concept of sales channel in detail, we have another video which you can look at. You can select whichever sales channel you want to provide for that particular designer. Meaning, let's say I'm putting default sales channel for this particular designer, then I'll be selecting that. You'll also be providing the price types and preferred price types here, and click on submit. When you do this, this particular person will get a mail on the registered mail ID requesting to log on to Infurnia, and they can do so using the link provided in the mail. This is how you add new users to your organization.